Number 1. VJIANGER 2024 Upgrade 4K Digital Camera for Photography. 2024 newest 4K photography camera with 64MP high resolution, the best camera for YouTube. Photo camera with 32GB micro SD card supports 16x digital zoom to get closer focus from far away. The 4K vlogging camera can be used as a webcam by connecting PC with Type-C cable. The video camera with 4.0-inch Ultra HD touchscreen, a 3.5mm mic jack, a hot shoe, external 1/4 standard size tripod interface. Number 2. GoPro Hero 12 Black. Dive into action. Experience the thrill of exploring the depths with the fully waterproof Hero 12 Black, now tougher and more resilient than ever before. Whether you're conquering muddy trails, snowy slopes, or diving down to 33 feet underwater, this powerhouse companion stands strong by your side. The water-repellent lens cover enhances your visuals, eliminating reflections and artifacts for breathtaking photos and videos that captivate. Number 3. WOLFBOX G840S 12-inch 4K mirror dash cam backup camera. Experience stunning detail with the front camera's upgrade to 4K UHD 2160p resolution, paired with a 1080p rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display provides 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, significantly reducing blind spots for enhanced safety. The WOLFBOX G840S mirror camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, offering a broader field of view to minimize blind spots during driving and rever. Number 4. 5K Video Camera Camcorder. The latest 5K 48MP camcorder supports 5K 30 frames per second, which can capture 48MP resolution and record 5K video camera. This 5K camcorder comes with a 3-inch 270-degree touchscreen 16x digital zoom. Press the W or T button to zoom in or out, and a dedicated camcorder for YouTube that lets you see what you're recording. Perfect for self-blogging. Number 5. ROVE R2-4K Cam built-in Wi-Fi 6 GPS card dashboard camera recorder. The ROVE R2-4K camera can record videos up to a resolution of 2160p. The Ultra HD video recording quality is so good that you will notice so much more clarity and quality difference than all other car dash cams. Revolutionary super night vision technology, 6-glass lens f1.5 aperture Sony IMX335, helps to get comparatively clearer footage and images from the recording in low light conditions. Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel.